Hey guys, welcome to Whyde Family Farm and happy Easter everybody. We are out here feeding the birds, letting the ducks roam a little bit, getting the brooder ready. If you haven't noticed already, in our short video, and then we did a Facebook Live, we are hatching chicks. Let's take a closer look at what's going on today around the farm. These plants have grown up tremendously since the last time I showed you, so let's take a closer look. All right, here we go. Now I have flowers. I love flowers. That's my main thing. I don't care. So I love flowers. So let's take a look at these. This is coxcomb. This is my Genovese basil. This is my oregano popping up and through there. That is my opal basil. This is a tray of my lettuces and stuff. I'm just kind of shocked that they're doing anything. I left these in the greenhouse. Didn't germinate these inside. Just left them in here. Tray of my zinnias. These are the broccolis that we killed off. But we still have some in there, so we're gonna let them grow. Now these are our tomatoes. This is Amish paste in through here, and this is Isis candy. This is my moonflower. If any of you guys have tips on how to get the seed part off of the flower in itself, I know probably eventually it'll grow off, but I think it's like actually hurting the plant. So we'll see, but this thing looks like it's from outer space, I swear. We got mortgage lifters here, and I don't know what that says. Oh, cool. Put that back in there for a second. My hands don't want to work, they're kind of cold. This is African Daisies, which is really cool because they had a really pretty blue center. I'm excited about those. These are my Mr. Yellow, Dr. Yellow, witchy yellow tomatoes. Cherokee purple. These are beefsteak. And these aren't just for us. We have some, like half of them are going to be for us, and then the other half is going to be for friends. We have Abe Lincoln tomatoes here. We have Kellogg's breakfast. We grew a ton of those. We really liked them. These are my giant coxcomb. I got a coxcomb, and these are the giant ones. I'm excited about those. These are Mexican sunflowers right here. I can't wait to plant those. Marigolds, petunias, and a bunch of other stuff. And we got more stuff in the basement we didn't bring out today. Let's see. These are all of our elderberries, and it looks to me like they are doing fantastic. The greens on them are not sagging or anything like that. So it looks to me like they really, really like this greenhouse. So I'm excited about that. And then of course outside we have like 5 planted already, and they're really liking this weather. Yeah, there's just some things I'm really shocked about. Like I said, the lettuce. I'm really excited about. It's really has taken off. And, you know, my husband thinks I have a brown thumb, so I'm just glad that they did something. And I'm gonna water these. This is our setup basically. We have a fan going, and it's best if you have a circulatory fan, one that just kind of mimics the breeze. That's better, but we have a box fan in the basement too, but that doesn't rotate the air. These ones are better. I have a little $20 heater right here, just in case it gets too cold. Hopefully the weather, like in the next week or so, it won't get too cold, and then the only thing I have to worry about is getting too hot. And right now it's about 75 degrees in here. So I opened the door and the window propped open on its own. So we got wind. We knew the weather was gonna get bad. We put straw on everything. My husband went by and raked some of it off already because it was getting hot. So he wants everything to get some sunlight. But yeah, so this is my oregano. This is my chives. Chives come back every year. Take a look at this. This is super cool. That is my Victoria rhubarb that I grew from seed last year. And look how thick that is. It's just like really loving it. So I'm excited about that. And I hope I can get well established in this bed first before I transplant it somewhere else. We do carrots and stuff in this bed, and we need to do that soon. Carrots and all different kinds of stuff. And then I think I'm gonna do lettuce and stuff in this one this year and switch it up, because we did lettuce in this one last year and carrots in that one. So I just want to switch it up. So that's what we're gonna do. Then over here we have the peas, and we covered them. They are frost hardy, but they aren't freeze hardy. So we covered them and with straw, and it did help 100%. So if you are afraid and you don't have the covers that you need, straw will do it for you. But these peas are doing great. This is our pride and joy right here. I'm gonna tell you, we got these. This is our garlic bed here. We got it from the garlic from the store, and we put it in here, and then we covered it up with straw. And I don't know if you can tell by looking, but we have tons of garlic coming up. Look at that. It's coming up everywhere. And that's really good for us. We use a lot of garlic in our cooking, a lot of onions in our cooking, stuff like that. So this will be very, very good for us. And I can't wait to see what kind of garlic this is gonna give us. This video is just like a hodgepodge of whatever is going on in our farm right now. But you know, stay tuned. We got more videos to come. I think I have one planned for almost every Saturday for the next month. So I'm pushing a lot of content. Make sure to check out our lives, and we will see you all in the next video. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.